Standing at the foot of the Karamada Pass, Jigjiga had been thought impregnable. Cowed by the presence of its military garrison, the local Somali population had suffered injustice and indignity here for over 30 years, patiently hoping for the wheel to turn. When their chance came to rise and destroy their oppressors, they seized it with both hands. Within days of its liberation, the town and its markets sprang to bustling life. Never again would foreign oppression rule here. Willing hands reached everywhere to rebuild for the future and cover the scars of the past.